All right, we're also moving on to breaking news. Firing reported in Kashmir's Pahalgam. There is breaking news that's coming in, and we're going across to details of that story, where we are told that in Pahalgam, firing has been reported. I'm going to try and go across to Gursimran and Zeenat to get us more details. But the big breaking news that's coming in, security forces have rushed to the spot. Zeenat, give us more details.
See, Rhythm, this is the Pahalgam area where the Baisaran village has been targeted by the terrorists. That is the reports, the initial reports that we are receiving at present. Although the IG Kashmir, VK Bridhi, has confirmed the firing incident in Pahalgam and the forces are rushing to the spot. Now the unconfirmed further reports say that the tourists have been attacked in this Baisaran village. A tourist from Rajasthan, one of the SBI official, has been hit. But these are very initial and there's very little details that we are getting. Official confirmation about the identity and the terror attack is still pending. But yes, we can confirm that the firing incident has been reported in Pahalgam, which is 2 hours drive from Srinagar. And here in Pahalgam, a Baisaran village where the tourists had come from the Rajasthan are being targeted. We need to wait for more details to get the exact details as far as the ground in Pahalgam is concerned. But we are seeing the terror attack in the Kashmir Valley after a very long time, and if at all it is confirmed that it will be after a long time when the terrorists targeted tourists in the Kashmir Valley.
All right, I'm also going to go across to my colleague Tanisha to give us more details.
Right, absolutely, Rhythm. This is the firing incident that has been reported in Pahalgam. Zeenat, my colleague, continues to stay live with me on that. Zeenat, do we know, I know it is at a very initial stage that this firing incident has been reported and that you're reporting on that. But are there any prelim details about if there's been any injury that has been caused, or if there was a targeted attempt, and has anybody gone ahead to claim responsibility of the same?
See, Tanisha, we need to wait because this is a terror incident, and unless and until the official confirmation is there, it is more like spreading a fear on the ground. What we are picking from the sources is that the terror incident and the firing has been reported in the Baisaran village in Pahalgam, South Kashmir, where the tourists were around and they were targeted by the terrorists. We are getting the reports that some SBI official, a tourist from the Rajasthan, has been hit, but there is no formal or the official confirmation in this. As far as the official confirmation in the regard is concerned, what I was told by the IG Kashmir is that the firing incident has been reported and the forces are rushing to the ground to see the actual details that are there on the ground. We need to wait, but yes, the firing incident has been reported in South Kashmir's Pahalgam.
Right, Zeenat, stay with me. I'm also being joined by Arawat on that. Arawat, what initial details are you picking up as far as the firing incident is concerned? Only take us through what the officials have told you so far.
Yeah, absolutely, Tanisha. The official is saying that this terror incident took place in the Baisaran area of the Pahalgam. Then after we have seen that the joint forces of the Indian Army and other paramilitary security forces launched the cordon and search operation is in the area. And we have also been told by the senior officials that they have also moved to the location where this incident took place. And as far as this breaking news is concerned, we have seen that the cordon and search operation have been extended to other nearby areas. If we'll talk about the Pahalgam, which is the famous tourist destination in the Kashmir Valley, and there remains the rush of the tourists in the Pahalgam where this terror incident took place. Also, the senior officials have reached the spot.
Arawat, thank you very much for getting those details. I will have to quickly shift our focus to other breaking news coming in, and these are the live visuals that we are getting of Trump's deputy who is in